The cosmetic industry is poisoning you with makeup. Watch this.
One of the biggest cosmetic brands, designer cosmetic brands in the world, their ex-formulator had contacted us. He said, quote unquote, the cosmetic industry is destroying women's cells. C-E-L-L-S, cells. And I said to him, why don't you say something? He said, I can't.
We're talking about thousands of different chemicals.
The same chemicals being dumped and running through the rivers that are toxic are running through our blood.
For some of these chemicals, millions of children will be harmed before we actually decide whether it's toxic or not.
Skincare, hair, feminine care products have been associated with reproductive problems. Ovarian cancer, preterm birth, mercury poisoning, endocrine disruption.
What they don't tell women about wearing makeup. The skin is a human sponge and it absorbs things. So everything you put on your skin goes directly right in. An average female will absorb 4 pounds and 6 ounces of chemicals every single year. So here's an example of 4 pounds. This is how much chemical goes into your body through the skin every year. And there's about 515 different chemicals put on your skin every single day. From blush, foundation, shampoo, conditioners, deodorant, body lotions, hand cream, eyeshadow, lipstick, nail polish remover, which is very, very toxic. Some of these chemicals are carcinogens. Those are things that can cause cancer. The problem is there's always a delay between cause and effect. You start accumulating these chemicals, you don't know when potentially you can have a problem down the road.
Everything you put in your skin goes into your bloodstream. And in the bloodstream, it'll act like oil and fat. That goes not just for massage oil, it goes for cosmetics, it goes for creams and ointments, it goes for sea water, it goes for fluoridated water. It's on the skin, it goes into the bloodstream. And the regular rule, and this goes straight across the line, is very simple. If you wouldn't eat it, don't put it on your skin. That goes for cosmetics and underarm deodorants and goes for lipstick and everything else.
But comment the word join to detox and cleanse these chemicals up out of your bloodstream and the detailed protocols for every disease, and share this video to warn a friend and click the follow for free holistic health videos daily.